Hi friends, let's start the marination. We start with a little bit of salt. After that, we can add a good amount of ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix. A teaspoon of lemon juice. We can let this rest for some time till we prepare the second marination. So we will add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, a little pepper powder, a little garam masala, of red chili powder, just a teeny bit of color, just remove the stalks of these red chilies and add some nice warm water to these. Let this soak for at least half an hour. So add the cashews to this. The butter chicken gravy. So I'll add a little bit of oil, bit of butter, I will add the onions to this oil. I will add my spices, bay pata, cinnamon and badi elaichi. To this I will add my tomatoes. In goes a little bit salt. Let this cook on slow fire while I sear my chicken. My tomatoes are nice and mushy out here. So now I'm going to add some masala. I have coriander, around 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon jeera and a little bit of haldi. Give that a good stir. Onion tomato mixture. We have removed the cinnamon and bay leaves, added soaked chilies and cashews, and now we will give it a quick. We'll add a little bit of the soaked chili water to this. Now we're going to make a little space in the center. Alright.